The display of this smartphone 5.9-inch Super AMOLED, the refresh rate 120 Hz. The screen to body ratio 84.6%. The resolution of the display 1080 by 2400 pixel. 445 ppi density of the smartphone. Operating system Android Tello Zen UI. Chipset Qualcomm SM8475 Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 4nm. CPU octa-core and GPU Adreno 730. Card slot is not available. The internal memory are available of different type of this smartphone. The RAM is also available of different type of this smartphone. The main camera are dual camera. The feature of the main camera LED flash HDR and panorama. The video of the main camera 8K into 24 fps, 4K into 30 60 120 fps. 1080p into 30 60 240 fps, 720 into 480 fps GRIO EIS. The selfie camera is a single camera. The video of the selfie camera 4K into 30 fps, 1080 into 30 and 60 fps. Low speaker is available with the stereo speaker, and the 3.5mm jack is not available after this smartphone. Low speaker is available with the stereo speaker, and the 3.5 is also available in the smartphone. Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth 5.28 dp. GPS is available and the NFC is also available in this smartphone, but the FM radio is not available. The charging port USB Type-C 3.0 USB on the go. The battery type 4300 nanovolt battery. Fast charging 30W, USB power delivery 3.0 and reverse charging. The 5G technology are available after this smartphone. The SIM of this smartphone dual SIM, Nano-SIM or dual standby. IP68 dust water resistance up to 1.5 minutes for 30 minutes. The line date was announced 28 July 2022. There are available of different prices of this smartphone. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave a comment and I will try to reply.